Hi, this is Martin on A Quick Mortgage Minute, and thank you for taking a quick second with me today. Today we're going to do a little bit different, a little kind of a different thing is we're going to actually answer some questions from Facebook. And so sometimes I get clients that call me or send me a message through Facebook or YouTube or Instagram. And very often it's some of the very similar questions everybody's asking. And so they ask, hey, what's going on with the market, and so I'm going to answer some questions, and I'm actually going to pick one right now, and right now I have Edgar from Ontario, and Edgar is asking me, hey Martin, now that interest rates are a little bit higher, do you think the value of homes will come down? And Edgar, that's a very good question. A lot of times people think that when rates go up, home values come down, and that is definitely a possibility. Sometimes, people can't even predict the 7-day forecast on the weather, so we really don't know, but ultimately we kind of know that rates were going to be going up, and so, but we still see that the demand for housing is still very strong. There's still very low inventory. Even with the rates coming down a little bit, we're still seeing that demand is very high. So until that tapers off, until the demand tapers off, we don't see that home prices are coming down anytime soon, especially with wages going up, the economy picking up steam. If you're outside, if you're driving, you see people building more homes, building more roads, more businesses coming up. So that's what we see out there in the forecast of the economy. Another question that I get is from Susie. Susie is from El Monte. Susie is asking me, Martin, if I buy a home, about how much do I need for closing costs? And usually when you are looking to buy a home, if you're gonna pay for your own closing costs, unless you try to negotiate it with the seller or you get a credit from a lender like myself, you should maybe use 2 to 3% as the total closing cost. And that would include lender, title, reserves for your taxes and insurance, prepaid interest, things like that, a good lender would be able to give you a good estimate, and it usually comes out to about 2 to 3% of the purchase price is usually what closing costs end up being. So these are some questions that are asked from me. There's many more that we can get into, we might get into next time. So if you have a question, feel free to message me, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever it might be, and I'll be happy to answer it for you. And we look forward to earning your business, whatever you may need, any questions that you have. Thank you and have a great day.